Hello, Horace here. In this video I'm gonna show you how to fix your JiRA app and issues on the app on iOS. First, what you want to do is go to the App Store, go here, JiRA, your JiRA app, and you need to look for the update. Update should be there where is the open bar. There, if the update is available, there should be update bar. But if it's not, that means that you have the newest version. When you have the newest version, shouldn't be any issues. But if you still have, I'll show you more ways. First way is go up to the settings, scroll all the way down, go to the apps, find your JiRA app right here, and set every settings on Fabric, like mine, like Siri here, search here, background app refresh. Language doesn't mean that, doesn't change anything, so you don't need to change. But if you still have issue after this, go here, tag your JiRA app, hold, remove the app, uninstall, and you uninstall your app. Go back to the App Store and just reinstall. And any issues should be fixed. If the video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Bye.